We made $13,163 in just 4 days. We launched this offer on Warrior Plus. Under this account, you can see it's a real account. On 16th, and today is 19th, we made $13,163. This is the offer. If you look today, then you might find it on top 10 products on Warrior Plus. Let's refresh the page to make it more interesting. Yeah, it's a real deal. Making money myself is kind of selfish. I am always more interested to see how much my affiliates are earning. I took a screenshot to help you understand better. These affiliates earned $7,499 from promoting this one offer. And we kept the rest of the revenue as profit. You might be asking, Mosh, how? How are you doing this? And how are all these affiliates making money? $2,900, $556, $334, $303. How is this possible? How do I make money yesterday? Well, my friend, you have a day job. You are busy. But I hope you will agree with me that even if you have a day job, you have a busy life with your friends and family and other stuff like scrolling Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube to watch content, but you still have at least 2 to 3 hours per day. Yes, if you have 2 to 3 hours per day to make this kind of money, then go to my YouTube channel and search with this word product review and watch this video. This will show you how one of my affiliates made over $100,000 in affiliate commissions promoting my products. However, there is a catch. All these affiliates did only one thing to make this kind of money. They send traffic or visitors to our product using their affiliate link. And a lot of these affiliates used 2 methods that I'm about to share with you. One of the methods is making content just like me. Don't worry, you do not have to do long form content just like what I'm doing. It can be super easy, like the members of our 99% Done For You program members are doing. Yogesh is a member and he is my business partner, earned $300 commission just now. If you go to my Instagram profile and check the students' results, you will see tons of our members made $500 commissions like Jody, she lives in UK, Chrislyn, she lives in Vietnam. They both have 9 to 5 day jobs. Tash is a busy mom and she made multiple $500 commissions. Gabrielle has a 95 day job and she is a busy mom, made multiple $300 and $500 commissions. Usman made tons of money while working at 9 to 5 and traveling the world as a tourist. Daniel is a medical student, earned multiple $450, $500 commissions. Ruby lives in Malaysia and she's a busy mom. Daryl used to be my neighbor in Abu Dhabi. He has a busy life, but he's cracking up those $500 commissions. Now I can show you on and on. And the reason I'm showing you specifically these members and affiliates, because they belong to our 99% Done For You program, which you can start right away by watching this training video. This is a complete training video. It will show you step by step what we do and how you can earn commissions like our members. Click the link in the description below and watch this full training. After watching the training, if you have any question, feel free to ask this AI chat agent. This AI chat agent will answer just like me. If you still have questions, DM me on Instagram or on Facebook Messenger and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. After watching this training video, you can take an educated decision whether this program is the best fit for you or not. In either case, my friend, we make these videos to help you, to learn and be able to take action and get results. And no matter which position you are in, where you're from, we need a tiny help from you. We have a goal to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And the only way we can do it, if you like this video, share this with your friends and family. Of course, you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and your social media contacts to subscribe to our channel as well. Because when you do that, social media algorithm will know that this is a great video, it's helpful, and they should show it to more and more people. When they will do that, you take an active part helping others learn, get genuine education, and eventually get results and change their lives. So go ahead, do all these steps, and if you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section. So we understand making content can drive you traffic just the exact same way we do every day. And you also know that there is an easy way to do it that our 99% Done For You members are doing. So what do they do? So you know that videos videos and social media content can drive traffic. And when you send traffic, some people will buy from your affiliate link and you will earn affiliate commissions like these affiliates. And also there is an easier way to make content and earn commissions like our 99% done for you program members. So what is the easier way? Before I tell you the easier way, here is a problem with content creation. Yesterday, I watched this video on YouTube and I in fact made my own video reacting to it. Today I found that this video is unavailable. So what happened? Here is a little message. The video is no longer available because the YouTube account associated with this video has been terminated. Not suspended, terminated means it's gone completely. Now the account belonged to someone called Dave Nick and he had over 1 million subscribers. So 1 million subscribers is gone. Poof, just like that. And of course the video I watched yesterday along with the other hundreds of videos on that channel are gone as well. So all these years of hard work is gone completely. But as you can see, Dave Nick is smart. He did not rely on YouTube because he knows he doesn't own YouTube. YouTube or any other platform can take any action and terminate your accounts anytime they want. And that's why he kept building other accounts at the same time. And look at this. This account has 362,000 subscribers. Here's another account or channel that has over 10,000 subscribers. So he keeps publishing those content and he will keep getting those traffic and keep making money. Okay, Mosh, it looks like a lot of work because making long videos like Dave Nick or you, Mosh, is not possible for me because I have a 9-to-5 day job. The maximum I can do is spend 2 to 3 hours per day for something super easy. I will show you easy, but before that, let me show you the permanent solution of this problem. You see, a side hustle is not a business. A side hustle is not a job. A side hustle is somewhere in between. When you do side hustle, you do not put your full effort like an employee or you do not put your full effort as an employer. It's somewhere in between. It's called a side hustle. Unfortunately, whether it's a side hustle or full hustle, a job or a business, it always comes with problems. There is no hiding from it. Nobody can hide, including Dave Nick, including me. And here is another solution, paid advertisement. Before you get intimidated, I want to assure you that you do not have to do this. But if you keep watching this video to the end, you will know exactly what we are doing. And down the line, if you want to do it yourself, you can do it too. This is the stats of last 1 month, and we spent $1,295 on advertisements. How much money did we make? Approximately $2,500. However, I know something more than money that makes me keep going. Do you see this number? We spend at least $20 to get one customer, which means these customers spend only $5 to buy a book. And to get those customers to make that $5 sale, we spend minimum $20. In another campaign, we are spending $42 to get one $5 sale. Why are we doing this? This is unbelievable. You must be thinking, Mosh, my money is important. I have to work 8 hours per day to earn money. No way I'm going to spend $20 for a $5 sale. I have a good news for you, only if you keep watching. This is an information no one else can share with you except the product creator or a product vendor on Warrior Plus. Yeah, currently in this account, we have 377 customers. Every customer value on the average is $50.05, which means every customer does not spend $500. People have their own choices and own decision to purchase whatever they want. But on the average, we make $56.05 from every customer. If we spend $20 to get a customer and earn $56, that's a $36 instant profit, my friend. Now, don't you think I should spend all my money to get as many customers as I can as fast as possible? I wish it was that easy. Stay tuned and I will tell you what is possible and what's not. Now, here is something interesting. This account's customer value is only $56. And all these affiliates who made all this money sent customers and generated $56 per customer. But here is something super interesting. Look at this. This is another live account. And in this account, I have even more customers, 1,299 customers, as opposed to 377 customers on the other account. And this account customer's value is $361 as opposed to $56. Now imagine if I spend $20 to get one customer That's a $340 profit from each customer. Can you imagine that? So spending $20 or $40 really doesn't matter as long as I have this account and it's giving us this kind of customer value. The 99% done for you program members are getting benefited from this big account. All the people they are sending to the offer they are promoting as an affiliate are making them huge commissions. So what do we understand from this? Whether you are using content by making videos or an easier solution that our 99% done for you members are doing, sometimes you're getting into problem, and to avoid that problem you're running paid advertisement. It doesn't matter what you're doing. As long as you're promoting amazing product with high price and high value, your customers will spend more money and you will earn more commission. By now you must be super curious, what is the easier method that our members are using to earn this kind of commission? I will tell you that in a moment. But in order to emphasize on paid advertisement, here is an example. I don't know if you can see this clearly. The first two affiliates who sent 1,000 sales and 500 sales respectively for one product they're promoting, both of them used paid advertisement. But unfortunately, they don't know that they are making this much money because they don't have access to a high value and a high price product. But our members have that access. And the best of the best part, we do 99% of the work for them. So starting out as a beginner is super easy. They have absolutely no excuse and they do not show any excuse. They just go ahead and make money. A quick shameless plug here. You can start by watching this free training from the link in the description. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. Feel free to ask questions and get answers from the AI chat agent or by DMing me on Instagram or Facebook. Now, what do these people do? Long story short, we use AI and we learn new skills and new knowledge fast. I will show you a complete step-by-step example in a moment. So stay tuned. Then we use our experience of using AI and we use our knowledge about the skill we learned, put them together and make short form videos. Then we upload those short form videos, I mean the same exact videos, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube across multiple channels like Dave Nick. We do not depend on one channel or one account. If anything gets shut down, we don't care. The other one keeps making money for us. All these platforms keep sending viewers to our videos. These viewers eventually turn into customers, but not by us. We don't do the selling. Our video does the job for us. It is structured in a way that it drives all the viewers to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions. So the secret here is short form content, 30 seconds to 60 seconds long. It can be using AI or it can be using your computer or mobile phone or camera, whatever you choose. The most important part that our students are excited about is that the whole system is 99% done for you. Okay, as promised. What do we do with AI and how do we learn money making skills fast? Here is a live example. The video that Dave Nick created, now it is gone, and I reacted on it. He actually mentioned that you can earn $175 per hour. So I went ahead and asked Grok AI that give me a list of 25 jobs, preferably freelancing jobs that pay at least $175 per hour. And even beginners can do it. Answer with the tables, real numbers, and blah, blah, blah. And I got the answer. Look at this. The first one, social media manager. Easy for beginners, 4 star out of 5. Reason for rating, easy to learn with free tools like Canva, no fancy degree needed. And you can possibly earn $50 to $200 per hour. But I didn't stop there. I asked, write a step-by-step process to become from beginner to social media manager that gets paid $200 per hour. And I got a step-by-step system with how long it will take, what exactly to do, and there are total 10 steps. And according to Grok AI, if you want fast track, get results fast, then you will take 6 to 9 months if you hustle and practice a lot. But if you are in a chill pace, that okay, I'll do it later, go slowly, then also you will take 12 to 18 months if you take it slow. But my viewers have 9 to 5 day job or they have existing business. They are busier than this. So I said, write a daily plan of action or program or routine for 9 to 5 employees who only have 3 hours for a side hustle to become a $200 per hour social media manager as a side hustle. And now I got more specific answer. Look at this. How you spend your time. 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. These are the steps. This is the goal, tools, and tips. then what do you do the rest of your times? Each of the tasks will take 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 15 minutes, so on and so forth. And how long to $200 per hour? You can even get there in 3 months. In 3 months, you can land small clients and earn $25 to $50 per hour. 6 to 9 months, you can get to $100 to $150 per hour. And in 12 months, you'll be there, inshallah. Did you notice the depth of knowledge I received from this just by asking questions to AI? But I didn't stop there. I said, hey, can you present this answer in a table? So I got a complete table. I can print it out and follow these times, take action, and get results. Are people actually making money? Go to Upwork. Search with Social Media Manager. This guy earned over $200,000. He charges $15 per hour. And from the name, it seems he doesn't even belong to a tier 1 country. If you use AI, just like we do, ask questions and learn skills, implement them, get results, you're a winner. I hope this video was massively valuable. Please give us a like, share with your friends and family, subscribers by the end of this month. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button because this way you will get notified by YouTube whenever we upload our next video. And we will see you on the next one. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we can't wait to have you in our next video.